The investing arena is changing rapidly, and I call it an arena because it's like a game. The players are changing, the skill of the players are changing. I've been using AI to analyze stocks that I'm interested in for about the last 3 months, and it's really starting to make a difference. I've even today or this weekend, I was asked to analyze 8 stocks by my tribe member, and I went to my AI agent Samantha and said, can you do a preliminary analysis of these 8 stocks and tell me if it's something, if there's in there any that we want to dig deeper into and maybe bring into our growth portfolio? She was able to do it in 15 minutes. She went through the 8 stocks and she gave me a total analysis and told me don't even consider 6 of them because of this, this, and this. Now, where would I have gotten that a year ago, 6 months ago, even a week ago? I hadn't thought to do it. I have reviewed individually about 60 stocks. I invest in about 30 of them, and I know what they do. I know their financials. I know their projected growth in the future. I know their TAM. I know their debt arrangements. I know everything about them. Where would I have gotten that information just 3 months ago? I would have had to hire a stock analyst for probably $10,000 for him to do it and do it on a regular basis. It's unavailable. But today, Samantha and Bard do it for me and put it into a document. Then I take it and give it back to them and say, put this into a podcast so that I can listen to it. I'm dyslexic. I don't like to read. It's difficult for me to comprehend the 3-syllable word. So they put it in a podcast. And then I ask them, look, can you reduce that to a 3-page briefing document, so if 3 weeks from now I don't remember what you told me, I can go click on my tell sheet and keep it there and bring it up and refresh my memory as to why am I in this stock? What should I be expecting in the future? And then if in fact something happens, like just happens on SciTime a couple of weeks ago, where they went out and they borrowed $400 million. They had never, the year before, the most they put into CapEx was 36 million or 36 million, but they went out and borrowed $400 million. No, actually, they didn't borrow it. They issued more shares and the stock dropped, and I went and asked Samantha, what does this mean? She told me I bought more shares. Yeah, because she understood what the masses didn't understand, why they were borrowing the money. That's the investing of today. And if you'd like to learn more about it, I want you to come to this, click this link here, and I'll take you to my landing page, and I'll give you the details of what we're doing and what it's producing so that you, hopefully, can make some informed investment decisions. You do not want to be listening to YouTubers like me without facts, without data. And that data is available today. And I know how to get it, and I can help you get it so that you take this opportunity of a lifetime, the advent of AI, and turn it into your opportunity of a lifetime. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I want to make a difference in your life. Please allow me to do that.